Welcome AutoML 2022 to this teaser presentation about Assembled-OpenML, creating efficient benchmarks for ensembles in AutoML with OpenML. Ensembles are heavily used in AutoML. For example, when enforce is used as just another algorithm doing model selection, or stacking and greedy ensemble selection are used to build better overall models. In general, ensembles combine the predictions of several base models. Therefore, it can be very expensive to benchmark ensembles because we need to train and evaluate many base models for many datasets. And this is what we want to make more efficient with OpenML. OpenML is a platform containing data on machine learning experiments. In particular, it contains the data of the predictions of base models, which we can fetch and store in metadata sets. And then in a second step, we can use these metadata sets to simulate ensembles and get back their performance. And this is very nice because, first of all, the metadata sets are shareable and easily recreatable, and the simulation is much more efficient than doing it the old way.